Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. To achieve our first style, we are going to use this as the base. Just watch carefully. When you're done making the donut in front, you're now going to proceed with your second scarf to achieve our style. You repeat the same process. You place it at the back of your head and bring forward. Then you arrange properly and cover where necessary before you start twisting each flap to wrap around the donut. Just watch and see. When you're done, you can accessorize with whatever you have and put on a pair of sunglasses as you wish, and you're going to look so beautiful. Just try it and let me know in the comment section. This is the style. Anyone can rock this. If you're with your hair, you can bring it forward, but if you're on cornrows, you can just do as it is and you're going to look beautiful. On to the next style. For the second style, we are going to shift the donut to the back. Just watch and see.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you.
Then you place the second scarf at the back and bring forward just like we did for the first one.
You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
And ensure your V in front is at the center. Then you arrange the scarf properly.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact.
And knot or tie under the donut that you made with the first scarf.
A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
If you're having a bad hair day and you don't know how to look before you leave your house, ensure you try any of these styles. This is it. You can accessorize as usual and you're good to go. On to the next style. For this style, we are going to make use of a short muffler. Measurement is 20/80. One end has to be short, then the other longer, so that it can go around your head. Then you arrange properly and twist and send it across, as you can see. You can try any of these styles to church or outings, just anywhere. Bad hair days can't hold you back. Do not forget to accessorize. This is the style, this is the look. On to the next style. This is a bow. If you've been following my channel, if you've been following my videos, you would know how to tie a bow. But this is a different way to tie it, not like the previous one on my channel. So you can check to look for which of them that is easy for you to apply. Measurement as usual, 70/30, and your shorter hand has to be downwards facing you so that you can form your bow properly, as you can see. Now you pin before you arrange your bow. Later on, we are going to cover that place properly so that it will look nice and neat. This is the style. As usual, do not forget to accessorize. You can rock this to any way of your choice. You can look classy even with a head wrap or a scarf. On to the next style. For this style, we are making use of a big scarf. We are making use of a big head wrap. You're going to take it from one end to the other to form a triangle and then place at the back of your head and bring forward. Watch carefully. After tying, you proceed to make a braid. Wherever the braid stops, you proceed to make a twist until the very end. Then you place around your head as seen. Arrange braids properly and accessorize, and you're good to go. Onto the next style. You repeat the same process, but this time around, when you're not in front, you're going to twist everything properly. And make a donut. And voila, this is it. Simple, nice and easy. Do not forget to accessorize as usual. This is the last style. The scarf I made use of here stretches. So you place at the back and bring forward to form a V. Ensure your V is at the center. After that, you arrange your scarf properly and wrap around your head. And do not forget, the measurement for this particular one is 50-50. Nice and easy, simple and classy. Do not forget to accessorize as usual. You can make use of a brush also. Just pin it somewhere nice and you're good. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.